my name is Emina Vance. I'm Dr. Lam's hair transplant coordinator, and I'm going to demonstrate how to use topical treatment. Some of you are using Formula 82M, some are using Formula 82F. Whatever the recommended compounded topical treatment that you're using, this is how you can apply it on your scalp. So I'm going to use a Formula 82M in this particular case. Most often the area that needs to be treated is the entire top. Often the crown is included and sometimes the corners are included. In some cases you will need to apply along the temporal points and all along the hairline. So the recommended dose is about 60 to 65 drops a day, which would be equivalent to 1 bottle per week. My suggestion is that you write a day of the week when you open the bottle. So for example, you open a bottle on a Monday, you write Monday, so by Sunday night, you should use everything from this bottle and start new bottle. When you're using a bottle, you open the bottle and either you can part your hair in several parts. Some videos on the internet show 3 parts. I will go and part more often, so which means you're creating these parting lines. You start from the very outside and then you squeeze slightly bottle and drop the liquid on your scalp directly. You can gently spread with your fingers, but do not rub or massage. You always have to apply on a dry scalp. You continue with this and you go from the front to the back, back to front. You can also part it left to right. Some people, if your hair is shorter, it's much easier to just almost draw with a dropper all over your entire scalp on the top. Once you finish, you can look, it's hard to count 60 drops, so what I would suggest you gauge daily application. And when you finish, you should look at the top and you should look slightly damp, telling you that you applied throughout the entire top. And then at the end of the week, gauge your daily application by looking whether you went through a bottle a week. So I hope this was helpful. By the way, apply on a dry scalp. Do not fast dry the product. Let it dry on its own. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. And we recommend that you apply it at night so that you can wash your hair in the morning, but you don't have to wash your hair if you don't want to. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.